As a student, you may be asked to submit a voice thread. And the goal of submitting a voice thread is that you're able to create a multimedia presentation that includes recorded audio, video, or text. And also, usually, if students are required to submit a voice thread, other students will be asked to comment as well. So if you're asked to create a voice thread, to an assignment, you would go into Blackboard and find that assignment. It may be under assignments, it may be under course material, it just depends where your instructor puts it. And then click on the link. A new page will launch. And from there, you can either select a voice thread that you've already submitted, or you can create a new voice thread. I'm going to create a new voice thread. And so you'll be asked to drag files or add media. You can also click to upload from your computer or webcam, photo, video, or other media sources. I created a presentation. It's on my desktop. I'm going to just drag it over. Oops. And it's processing. So if there's a lot of media, if there's like a video or large photos, it may take a while to process, but it should be relatively quick. See, this just had 3 slides and there wasn't much, so that was quick. So after you're finished adding media, you would then click to comment. It's also going to ask you to create a title for your voice thread. So I'm going to say this is Student 1's voice thread. And you should also add a description. You should provide a good description there. Probably not just assignment 1 or whatever the assignment is called, but a little more detail. I'm going to click save. All right, so from here, you would then need to record some audio or video. Your instructor might have some suggestions about what is required for the assignment, but do know that you're technically able to record web video, or you can just record your microphone, or you can write text comments. Usually, instructors generally want students, if they're using this tool, to record web video. So I'm going to click on the camera, and again, I got this icon by clicking on the plus sign, and so you'll be able to comment on each slide. So on this slide, I'm going to record some audio, and Flash is going to ask me if I want my camera and mic to have access, or if I want the browser to be able to access the camera and mic. So here I'm recording some audio. You can also annotate by clicking on the pencil. You should just be able to draw. So if you have anything on your slide that you want to annotate or a picture, you can do that. Once you're done recording on a single slide, you can press stop recording and save. It'll also let you preview. And then you'll probably just record each slide. So record some audio or video for each slide, and you'll see that I just went to the next slide by clicking the next button. I'm going to press record again. I'm going to record a video. And so here is my video presentation on slide number 1. I'll stop recording and go to the next slide. Click the plus button, record your video. And it's a good idea to, just give it a few seconds before you start talking, just so that it doesn't, so it can catch up. So, and then stop recording, and then click save. And you'll just want to, listen, I'm kind of skipping through, but you would want to preview your video to make sure it captured everything that you wanted to. If you don't have a picture here, you can, there will be a dialog up here that will let you change your picture or upload a new picture, so you can do that if you'd like. And then once you are done recording your voice thread, you can click close. And you'll see it takes you back to a page with all of your voice threads and voice threads that you have access to. And you can kind of sort by all, owned by me, shared with me, that kind of thing. What you'll need to do, there's still another step, because right now you've just created your voice thread, and you may come back later and revise it if you'd like, but you haven't submitted it yet. In order to submit it, you'd actually have to go back to the Blackboard tab, and if you've lost that tab, you can just go back in through Blackboard. So sign into Blackboard, click on your course, find the assignment, click on that link, and you'll come back here. Now we see that I've actually created another voice thread. It's not in this list, so we want to refresh the list. You'll see that my voice thread is now there. So at this point, I want to click on this to highlight it. So this is a presentation I just created. I want to submit assignment, and then you'll also want to share it with your class most likely. You can ask your instructor if this is required, but in general, when students create voice threads for instructors want them to share it with the class. So at this point, I would share it with the class and then click Submit Assignment. So you'll see that your assignment has been submitted.